Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will unbox review this special headwind for Ford F150 28 to 2014 years. This Android 12 voltage 12 volt. Okay, let me unbox review. This head unit. Special cable and harness. Okay, let me show the harnesses first. Okay, this special harness for Ford F150 power cable. Okay, and this connects the canvas box. This decoder canvas box, and another connection from harness. Okay, connected the canvas box, and this AUX output left and right, and those AUX input. Okay, this special honeycomb cable, and this radio antenna. Okay, and 4G SIM card slot. This install kit. And 4G, this is 4G antenna, this GPS antenna, and this camera input, and AUX input left and right, and video input. Connect the arm back of head unit, and there are two USB cable and external microphone. And this subwoofer, you can check subwoofer, and AUX left and right, front, rear, output. Okay, let me show head unit. This head unit, you can check this radio antenna, 4G GPS, this connections, power fuse, other connection for the USB, AUX audio, and other. This GPS 4G radio antenna, power cable. Okay, let me connect the power with 12 voltage. Let me find something to. very big header unit. Okay, let me adjust the camera. Okay, this special header unit for Ford F150. Please take out this screw before using. Okay. You can check this back button, home button, volume, and you can set the color. Red, green, any color you can adjust this panel. It's built in the very fast response APK installer, DSP amplifier, and Auto link for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Built in the Play Store, you can install application from it. It's built in the Google Maps, YouTube. Okay, let me show the settings. It's built in the Wi-Fi. You can put the Wi-Fi and connect Wi-Fi, their Wi-Fi hotspot from your phone, and SIM card. Their SIM card cable come with the SIM card cable 4G. This connect back, and this for the 4G. Okay. You can visit our website, belsee.com. BELSEE.com. If you have any more questions, just visit our website to contact us. Okay, let me show the other settings. And this display style, there are total 8. You can set the one of it. And this instructions. You need to set it in the settings. Check the settings and find the display. Let me find the factory settings. About machine you can check. It's Android 12 version, 8 GB and DDR 8 GB, RAM 128 GB. This factory settings. this password. Set the others with 1, with 0, and save. The head unit will be reboot and save the settings. And you just set the brake with 0. Let's check the settings. Its boot logo, I checked the others. You can set the brake and the boot logo. You can change the Android 12 or other boot logo. You can set it. Okay. And then you can open the instructions. There will show the user menu, this user menu. Okay, it's built in the Play Store. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact us. You can visit our website, belsee.com. Okay, thank you.